Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you an affiliate marketing network where you can make up to 125 USD per every sale you made. As you know, when it comes to affiliate marketing, you always make money based on the sales you have made and also the commission rate that is being paid per every sale you're making on such an affiliate marketing program. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you see now, I'm using my computer. What you need to do, you need to use your phone. Maybe you need to use your laptop if you have one. You can use your desktop, you can use a tablet, you can use any other device that can be able to access the internet. And also what you need to do, you need to follow all these steps and instructions and see how much money you can be able to make by doing affiliate marketing. What we do, we have to go into our internet and type for A2 hosting. So after searching for A2 hosting, we're gonna be getting to this website. You can see it is this is the IT service management company, and also you can see this one. You have to click on this one if you want to be able to get started. Now you can be clicking on this one, and also once you click on this, you have to open the platform. You're gonna be getting to the platform itself. And once you have arrived to the platform, what you see is that they have different kind of services they are providing to the people, to the individuals. You see there are domains, site builders, SSL certificates, free website migrations. You can see they have hosting by business, where they have business hosting. You can click on it and see what kind of hosting they are providing. Here's the shared hosting. I have one website, the WordPress hosting. You can see the VPS hosting, which is starting from 46 to 99. They have also a dedicated server which is starting from 130 USD per month. So what we do now is to come here and go to the you see, go to the hosting. First of all, let's go to the hosting services and see. If I click on web hosting, you can see they have different packages, including this one starts from 1.99 per month, which is one website. This is having unlimited websites where you get also 5.99 per month, and you have unlimited SSD storage. Also you have comprehensive security suite. You have free white graph site migration. You have automatic backups. You have write speed write. You have also this one, which is 70.99 per month, and also you can see these are under promotion now. Fast Ryzen 9 CPU. So you can come and read all the details and instructions and the features from this package. So if you go to VPS hosting, you can see it start from 130, as you have seen, 46.99. so this is gonna be VPS now, and also you can go here and see the features you're gonna be getting per every VPS you're gonna be purchasing here. For instance, if you go to this one where you have your own management, you have 4 GB RAM. You have also up to 150 GB NVMe SSD storage. Also you have 3 TB transfer. You have up to 4 cores. Now what you can do is select which one you need, and also once you select it, you can also view launcher plans. So now what you do is to come here and you can see that you get various details, and also you can be able to select which one you need. Depends on your capacity, depends on how much data you want to be now storing this in this hosting platform. So now we can go to dedicate this hosting. You can see they have one for starting from 130, as you have seen this one, and go to 535.99 per month. So if we go to the reseller hosting as well, you can be able to get now 17.99 per month. We'll get this one. You can also see that you have Cipano WHM. You can see 29 to 22.9 per month. There is Turbo reseller hosting, which starts from this one, and also you're gonna be getting all this stuff. Now what you do is to come here and see if you want to check for the cPanel hosting, the email hosting, or are here, and you can be able to select from this one. However, we don't have to stay to waste more time on this. What you need to do is we need to scroll down and go to the affiliate marketing and see how we can be able to make money from this. So for this one, you have to scroll down and go to the bottom light as here. So and click on this one. You can see we have this affiliate program. So what I need to do is to click on this affiliate program, and also it is gonna be opening the affiliate program here. So after opening the affiliate program, it is gonna be taking me to the affiliate marketing page. After reaching to the affiliate marketing page, you can see I have now your hosting affiliate program. You can be able to make earn up to 125 USD per every kind of sales. You can see if you want second tier commissions, 5 per new customers. So now let's scroll down in below a little bit below and see. So if you can be able to make this amount of sales here, you can be able to make these sales. You can be able to earn 55 USD per sale if you can be able to make 1 up to 10 sales. Once you achieve 11 up to 15 sales, you will be able to make 75 per sale USD. Once you also achieve 16 between 16 and 20 sales, you will be able to make 100 USD per sales, and once you achieve 21 plus per sales, you will be able to make 125 USD per every sale, which has been successfully made through your affiliate link. So now you can be able to come here and read below. Here there is high commission, less rate, rewards for you selling more. There is also customer welcome email and the landing page for top affiliates. There is also active and responsive affiliate program management. There is real-time affiliate status. There is long 90-day cookie life. There is also easy to use post affiliate pro control panel. There is a deep ranking. Choose where you link and choose where you can link your affiliate. There is also a high conversion rate and the customer retention. So once you want to be signing up, what you do is to come here and see. You have to click on get started in 3 ways. Here is what they said. You can be able to sign up by clicking on here, or you can access your affiliate account once you upload for the program. There you will also find your customers affiliate link, copy and paste your hosting marketing material onto your site or emails and newsletters. Now you can start getting or commission for each new customer clicks on your hosting affiliate and purchases your hosting package. So now what you need to do is to click on sign up today. I'm gonna be clicking on this link, sign up. So after clicking on sign up here, you can see it is gonna be giving me this site. For here, what it gives me is to provide me with the affiliate marketing page, and through this affiliate marketing page, what you need to do is to fill out your first name here, the last name. There's also customer referral ID, which is if you need your customer ID, you can use it. Also, if you need the one you'll be using for your affiliate marketing promotions programs. Now there is username. There is also a website URL where you have to put your website, which you're gonna be using while promoting these affiliate marketing programs. There is also street address. There is a city. There is a state. There is now your country. You have to select country as well. There is zip code. You have to put the zip code on this field. There is also a phone number. There is also a code from picture, which is this one for verification. So once you're done, you can also come here below on this proceed. You have to select your affiliate profile, which is going to be characterizing you. If you have a coupon site, if you have teachers, if you're a teacher, student, or have a courses, if you have a web design or development agency, if you own our if no website, you have to select here, then proceed. And also have to say to add the promotion methods, either word of mouth, YouTube channel, email marketing, social media, clients, incentives. So you have to select all here, and also after that you have to select your PayPal, the payment payout method, which is a PayPal, and also add your email they will be using to pay you. But don't worry, also they can send you the money transfer, the money through your wire transfer once you achieve 1,000 USD and more. You can also be able to get your money your money through wire transfer. Please just add your email address above to complete the form, and email them or letting know you would like to switch to wire transfer. You can also be able to send an email to them. And also remember that if you want them to send you the money transfer through wire transfer, you will be able to get paid once you meet the threshold of 1000 USD or more. So thank you for watching this video. Once you're done, you click on this agree, then you sign up. So now once they approve you get your email. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or suggestions about it in the comment section, remember to like this video, share it to our friends, and turn on the notification button so as you always get notified when I upload a new video here at Nomax TV. If you have any questions or suggestions, remember to leave it in the comment section.